Nein, haben keine Zähne.
Dann ist das kein Kampf.
¿Qué hacen, Adrián?
Grabando unas iguanas peleando. Sí, tenemos dos machos aquí buscando la dominancia. Ajá.
¿Será que pelean el territorio?
Pelean el territorio. Y este está en problemas, ¿eh? Creo que va a perder un brazo.
Lo agarró bien, ¿eh?
Sí.
Pelean el territorio, La hembra seguro, ¿eh?
¿Pero dónde está?
¿Quién sabe?
Want die zat met de telefoon en hij kan daar vast.
No se escapó.
Zoet erop, nee.
Mira, mira. Son grandes, ¿eh?
Sí. Mira, según yo, la que está del lado izquierdo, perdón, derecho, esta es más viejita.
You speak English?
Yes, I do.
What are they doing?
They are fighting.
Fight?
Yes, both of them are males, so they are
Okay.
trying to get the dominance of the island.
Okay.
Because, of course, they want to get all the ladies for them.
Okay.
We can as well tell that they are males because the color, orange or red, as well, is in order to get attention from the females, and as well the chicks or the jaws, they are bigger. When we have females iguanas, they don't have the jaws so big, and they don't have the red or orange colors that we can see.
So one of them will die.
I don't know. This is the first time that I see a iguana fight. That's why I'm recording everything. I don't know if it's going to fight or perhaps some is just going to say like, okay, this is enough. I submit and they go.
Okay.
For instance, here we can see this one, the one that it's I am pointing with the bottle. This is an older iguana because the colors are not so bright. And this other one, we can see that it's younger iguana, but look at the tail. If you can see the tail, this one, we can see that already lose the tail and it grow back again. This means that it had a previous fight before. So this is a iguana. So what can happen if this iguana feels overpowered? She's just going to lose one limb and is going to grow again. I don't know how long does it take, but oh, it's getting intense. Oh yes, he's losing.
I put 50 on the big.
Okay, yes. Now he's saying okay. Oh,
Oh, he's finishing.
oh no!
No, ja, die gaan dood, op de dood toe nu. Ja.
Iguanity.
Ja, kijk hier.
Oh no!
Ja.
Run for your life, fella!
En voor
Oh no, he's bleeding, I think.
Ja, dat is de natuur, hè?
He's
Dat is de
bleeding.
natuur.
Uh-oh.
Ja.
They will not come to us to
Submit!
Give him some space.
Yes. Give him a space.
Guys, give some space.
I know it's cruel not to interfere, but as well, it's part of nature, so.
Ja. Ja, so they're fighting for, ze zijn dus aan het vechten voor chickies en om de vrouwtjes. Ze zijn aan het vechten.
Dai un bastone allá, Adrián.